Hey guys, if you want to see how I got these cute nails, just keep on watching. So I have been obsessed with press-on nails since about November, and I have accumulated quite a bit of them. So I love them, and during this quarantine time they have come in handy. So you will need a press-on nail set, nail glue, nail polish remover or acetone, cotton balls, and a manicure kit. I will list everything in the description box on what you will need. Let's get started. So I previously already washed my hands. Then I will go ahead and go through my nails and clean them off with nail polish remover. Clip down my nails just to make them all even. So I have the Kiss Jelly Fantasy nails in the length long. They're a pretty nice length. It's about the same length that I get my usual nails whenever I do go to a salon. So that's why I picked these up. When you open it up, it does come with the nail glue, which I don't really use, but you can definitely use it. It's a pretty good nail glue. And then it also comes with a manicure kit and stickers if you decide to do stick-on nails instead of the glue-on nails. So you want to use this to push back your cuticles and start exposing a little bit more of your nail bed. I got this cuticle clipper from the beauty supply store, and I use it to just go around my cuticle bed and cut off any type of dead cuticles, dead skin, just get that excess cuticle out the way. On to the fun part of putting on the nails. I usually will pour out all the nails so I can see all the sizes and see what kind of design I want to do. In sizing the nails, you do not want the nail to be too big and go over your cuticle bed. You want it to fit perfectly right in there, just like this, so it can look very professional and it doesn't look like a big old press-on nail just put on your nail bed. I use the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. This is what I feel like allows my nails to last at least 2.5 to 3 weeks without breaking off, without issues. With putting the nail on, you just want to slide it into your cuticle area and then press down the front of it. It will click right into place if you've selected the right size for your nail bed. This is how the nails came out. I love them. I love the natural pink gel look. I feel like I just left the salon during quarantine, but these came out super cute and it didn't take much time, maybe like 30 minutes. And I have a full set now for about $7. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be notified on my next video. See you guys in the next one.